This is my first attempt to do rework with tweezers and the micro solder iron. I'm replacing a 0603 capacitor here. First I used the tweezers to take the capacitor off. That went very smooth. Using some flux and a solder braid to remove the remaining solder. Then I'm thinning the pads again. I'm using quite some flux in this video. I always use a lot of flux, makes the work easier and it'll clean up just fine. I'm using the default chisel that comes with the micro solder kit, and that is the RTM 013S 1.3 times 0.4 millimeter. Solder both sides. Then I do a quick check to see if everything is fine, and then it's ready to clean off and test again.